Good morning, y'all. I'm so nervous, but I came on here to unbox my presenter kit from Younique. So it comes in this super cute bag. Purple is not really my color. I was in it for 3 years and don't want to ever see it again, but very cute bag. Lots of pockets. So great for traveling, putting everything in. Even if you're like a school teacher, student, you could shove all your stuff in there too. So, in the kit, comes with catalog, of course, because I'm learning to be on part of the Y family. Came with the Y company. You get samples of all the fragrances, and then the 3 masks. All 3 masks you get a sample of. That way you kind of know what you need for your skin type, or you can recommend it to someone else. Next, let's talk some eyes. So they came out with the 3D fiber lash, and you just, actually it slides out. Maybe it slides out. And a cute little travel kit. I was actually thinking if I don't use the fiber lashes, I'll use this for a liquid lip and my mascara. So you have the fibers. So if you open it, it has little teeny fibers all on there. And before you do the fibers, you do your prep. Oh, and so prep, fiber, prep, done. Put that to the side. What's coming out of the bag next? It's like Mary Poppins in here. A lippy. So this is the color I'm wearing right now, and it's called Sublime. So it's kind of like a nudish, more on the peachy side, I would say. I like it. I like that it goes on like a lipstick, or like a lip gloss kind of, but then it's matte, it's like a lipstick. You don't have that feeling, because my boyfriend does not do that. What's next? Oh, the eyeshadows. So the eyeshadows actually come with a black packaging, of course, but then they come like this, and even the sticker for the color. So you get 4 colors and this magnetic case, which is really nice. So I want to show you how simple it is to put it together. Literally pop. Try not to get it on you. Who cares? Close it. Your little sticker. So now you can't forget the colors you get in your kit. So the colors that I received are Discreet, which is literally, for my skin tone, the perfect transition shade. Gentle, Fervent, and Skewed. So let me just do a little. So those are the, as I put it on the weirdest part of my wrist, 4 shades that I got. And I'm wearing the burgundy and actually all but the skewed color, because I wasn't wearing black during the day. Not a cute look. I mean, for some people it is, but it's a little aggressive for Friday morning. What's coming next? The lucrative lip gloss. So if you want more plump lips, this is what you would use. My founder actually told me that she doesn't necessarily wear the lip gloss, she puts it on, and then she puts her liquid lipstick on top of it. Next coming out, Touch and Behold. So this is your translucent setting powder, and what's nice about it, I was looking at my, what's the brand? Make It Forever one, which Make It Forever, very expensive, but you get more product, and it actually goes on nicer. Open it, and it does have the net in there, so you don't get powder everywhere. So you get more and a better pricing. What's next? Okay. So we have a serum to help your eyelashes stay strong and grow. I'm dabbling and putting it on to my eyebrows because I think my eyelashes are decent. Eyebrows need some help. So it looks like just a wand with a clear gel on it. And now this is my favorite thing, the Epic Mascara. This is actually the reason why I got the kit. I don't know why, don't ask me. Okay. I was like, okay, I wanna buy something. I'm gonna support a friend. Well, I was like, okay, I'll just get the mascara. And then she's like, what do you think about doing the presenter kit? And I was like, well, what's in it? What's the price, you know? What makes it this? She's like, well, it's $99. $99 for what? Honestly, I wouldn't pay $100 for a mascara, but get my drift? It's literally one coat on my eyes right now. It gives you volume and length. Eventually, this will be my go-to. Actually, it is my go-to, but. Next. Beachfront Kissed. When I first opened this, I'm like, I am not a gold highlighter, but in reality, with Florida, and I have like a peachish tone. Put this right here. It doesn't go on necessarily gold. It's a very sandy looking highlight. So I think this would actually work for a lot of different skin tones, because if you have like a too white and you put that on a very tan, it looks very metallic almost, unless you like that look. But I feel like this would work for a lot of different skin tones. And I'm not an esthetician, cosmetologist, or a makeup artist. So this is just average person opinion. What else is coming out of this bag? All right. The lip bonbons. There's, I think, 5 or 6 different shades and fragrances, or shades. What I like about this, you can't just pull it off. You literally have to twist a little bit and then pull. I cannot tell you how many chapsticks have gone into my purse and opened themselves. And then you get whatever's in the bottom of your purse on it. It's gross. So I actually put this on when I was getting ready and then put my liquid lip over top of it. I thought I was gonna hate this shade. I really did. Honest. I thought I was gonna hate this shade. Loved it. It went to like a peachy nude almost, but then it gave some color to my lips. It didn't just have some awkward color. Next. So with the kit, everything's varying a little bit. You always get your four shades of eyeshadow. You're getting your 3D lashes. You get a couple lippies. I actually got oil control mask from the Royalty line, and I'm really excited because during summer I'm pretty oily. Not necessarily all over because I have combination skin, so I'd be like dry here and like literally oil pouring out of my nose. So I'm excited to try a couple different ones at a time. So you open it, it has a little stopper, which I love. And then this really, really cool green shade. I will show you guys that eventually when I go to use it. I'll probably use it tonight, don't judge me. I had to wait 24 hours to open my package. If you get a kit or you get any makeup in the mail in Florida, wait 24 hours before unpacking it, because you could literally, either if it's a lipstick, it'll just be ruined because the heat destroys it. Give it 24 hours to sit, and then open your package. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, this brush is so nice. So in your kit, you get a brush. This is their blender brush. Super soft. It was great for doing the transition and blending, because some brushes are too stiff to do your blending with, and this is perfect. I think the last 2 things I have are the Precision eyeliner. I got brown. I'm not really a brown person when it comes to my eyes, but Do you see how easy that draws on? Like it's almost like a gel. So we will probably play with brown eventually. If I don't use it on my eyes, maybe I'll use it on my eyebrows. If it stays, I'll use it on my eyebrows. And the last little thing I got in my kit was, with Younique, you have different statuses. I'm starting off as, let's see if it will focus. Maybe, oh look at that. It's the white status. So white status is you're starting out. So I've shared all my goodies in my lovely Mary Poppins bag that I'm excited for. Tell me what your favorite product was, or something that you want to try. Is it one of the masks, one of the, is it one of the lipsticks? Is it the eye product? Is it one of the masks? So leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite item that you want to try is. I'll be on here every once in a while, getting better at lives. Thank you for joining me today, and I will talk to you guys later.